Magallanes. Passing now to Epifanio de los Santos Senior Avenue, best known for EDSA Magallanes or Highway 54. Ang tempo ay nakarating na sa EDSA Magallanes Station. So I'd like to remind all the passengers to please watch out your step. We're getting out the train. Our platform is a little bit lower. Paalala po sa ating mga pasero, mag-ingat po tayo paghakbang pababa ng train dito sa EDSA Station kasi po mababa ang plataforma. Maraming salamat po, EDSA Station. Let's please get ready for Nichols, our next stop. Nichols Station. Ang tinbay, magtating na sa Nichols Station. With FPI, also known as Food Terminal, Tenement or Kadiwa. Ang sunod na stasyon ay FPI. Mas kinasawag na Food Terminal, Tenement or Kadiwa. We're almost here at FPI Station. Ang tinbay, halos na parking na sa FPI Station. The next stop is Bikutan. Ang susunod na stasyon ay Bikutan. Here at Bikutan Station, ang tinpoy, halos na parating na the Bikutan Station. So once again, to all of the passengers, to please check your bags and other belongings, especially your cellphone and wallet before getting out of the train. When you exit Bikutan Station, magyan at Sukat. Ang susunod na stasyon ay Sukat. We're getting closer now to Sukat Station. Ang tinpoy, halos na parating na sa Sukat Station. Please get ready.
Sa Vive, Yaka, right-of-way o mga lugar na may mga kasama at gusali ng DNR. Papangalit dito, maaari kang mahagip ng tren, multa, sakuna o kapatayan ng suta. Kung di ka pilay, patay. Kaya huwag ka ng buhay.
Paalala, i-take nyo ang DNR, Philippine National Railway, sa pagkakapagpunan. IQ, Branch Required, 9:90 a.m.
Ibang station, ang last station, ang tinpo papalapit na sa pinakahuling stasyon, ang Alabang. Again, Penal Management would like to thank you for continuously authorizing or riding this train. We apologize for any shortcoming or unbecoming of the crew or operations, but we're doing our best to make it right and to give you the best service. Again, thank you for having me here. We'll see you again next ride. Take care, God bless. I've acknowledged our driver, Mr. Ben Juarez, together with my conductor, Mr. Lulis, and my chief senior conductor, Mr. DJ Papa. Good afternoon to all of you. Thank you for having me here. God bless.